How to stop butt sweat? You probably know that we have several thousands of sweat glands distributed throughout our body. They act as a natural cooling mechanism of the body when the temperature is too high. The highest concentration of sweat glands is found in the palm of the hand and feet, armpits, back, torso, legs, and genitals. Swamp ass is an annoying situation mostly experienced by many males because they have their genitals with more sweat glands. Even in females, the problem with the ass is that usually is covered with multiple layers of clothing. So when your body warms up, ass gets hotter than the other places. Although sweating is not a problem by itself, sweating excessively in certain areas of your body, it is embarrassing and annoying. Sweat make your covered body parts get more humid, since humidity is the perfect environment for bacteria and fungi to grow quickly. So staying sweaty can cause skin infections, irritations, blisters, and other conditions that sometimes require medical attention. So what to do to solve this if you have a swamp ass? The step number 1. Since it is already known that stress and anxiety are factors that activate our nervous system and it can cause increase in sweat production, so the first thing is to stay calm and relax. It will reduce the sweat production on your body. Step 2. Wear loose fitting clothing and natural fibers. This keeps your body cool and prevent trapping moisture in your underwear to help you stay cooler and keep your skin dry. Step number 3. Avoid very spicy and processed food, alcohol, caffeine, as they increase the sweat production. Step number 4. Bring wet wipes to cool off along the way, just like using talc or cornstarch to absorb moisture. Step number 5. Bring an extra change of clothes with you in case things get out of control. If you have already made some changes in your lifestyle and do not notice an improvement, you should invest in products that help with excessive sweat. There are some deodorants and antiperspirants on the market created especially for these sensitive areas. You should also think about how to improve your hygiene and keep bacteria at bay. Invest in a good antibacterial soap and avoid bad odors.